You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftatacademy.com. www.netsoftatacademy.com.
Hello and welcome to scenario number 3. Managing a major incident in Jira Service Management. Let's move ahead and perform this scenario. To perform this scenario, we first need to log in as Bill Walsh. Here, as you can see, I am logged in as Bill Walsh and this is home.atlassian. We'll click on top left corner and then we'll click on Jira Service Management. We'll click on NetSoft IT Service Management to get into this space. We'll scroll down and we'll navigate to Incident, and then Default, and now we are going to click on Create. You see over here, Create is there, top, middle of screen. Create next to Search box. Okay, so this is search box. Click on Create. Work type we are going to select as Incident, and we are going to give a name. Raise this request on behalf of. So on behalf of Brian Tracy, we are raising this request. Scroll down. We'll give a summary. We'll give a summary. Email failure. Now let's move ahead, and here we are going to provide a description. A global email outage is reported affecting multiple users across organization. This sort of detail you need to provide. You should be more descriptive when you are creating an incident. Okay, now let's scroll down and we are going to click on urgency. Okay, we'll say hi. How big impact? This is urgency, this is impact. In impact, we are going to select significant, large. Once these are done, we are going to click on create. Done. This is the step that we have performed where we have created incident. Now, let's move ahead and we are going to click on the incident that we have created. So it will take some time. As you can see, it reflects over here. If the new incident that you have created, it is not reflecting, you just need to refresh it. Okay, it is there. We'll click on the incident. Remember, I am logged in as Bill Walsh. So the very first step is to assign to me. Now this request is assigned to Bill Walsh and this request is created by Brian Tracy. Now let's move ahead. We are going to change the status of this request to investigate. We will reply to customer. We'll provide a detail. Okay, so make sure that when you are changing the status from in progress to investigate, you click on reply to customer. Okay, now click on investigate. Urgency is high, impact is significant, large. We need to update priority as well. Click on priority and click on high. So now the priority is high, urgency is high, impact is also large. And this is major incident. So we need to enable a toggle. We'll click on this. And here if you see major incident, this is a major incident. Now under activity, middle panel, under activity, we'll add a note for our team. Let's move ahead and give an internal note. Here we'll provide internal note. Major incident declared due to widespread email delivery failure affecting multiple user and business operations. Click on save. This is done. What you did so far? created incident as Bill Walsh, assigned incident to Bill Walsh, updated incident from open to work in progress. Now let's move ahead and see this incident from the lens of customer. That means in our case it is Brian Tracy. We need to open an incognito window and log in as Brian Tracy. Here I am logged in as Brian Tracy in an incognito window. We'll go to Jira Service Management, top left corner, Jira Service Management. And we'll click on Profile, top right corner, click on Request. Here we have a request, email delivery failure, okay. We just need to log in and see, okay, we are currently investigating, all these details are there, okay. Show details, describe outage, all these details which are provided by Bill Walsh, I can see it over here. That means Brian Tracy can see it over here. Now, let's switch to Bill Walsh browser window that we saw, okay. So I will simply go over there. I'm in that Bill Walsh window. Now, under details, next to stakeholder, under details, let's look for stakeholder. Here we have stakeholder. We are going to add Bruce Lee. Let me show it to you once again. Click over here, click on add stakeholder, and we'll add Bruce Lee. And we will add Megan Fox. Megan Fox. So 2 users are added, 2 stakeholders are added. Go back to that main screen. It will take some time, just refresh it. Over here, if you see, it says 2. If you click over here, you have 2 stakeholders. Go back. Now, under more field, we are going to add Bruce Lee as request participant, Bruce Lee. And we are going to add NetSoft IT infrastructure team as team. NetSoft IT infrastructure team. Okay. Now let's move ahead and perform the next step. Now let's move ahead and perform next step. Under activities in middle panel, scroll down. Under activities, so far we saw add internal node, reply to customer. But now this time we are going to notify stakeholders. For that we will click on notify stakeholders, and we'll add an email body saying a major incident has been declared for a global email outage impacting multiple users. Okay, this is done. We'll click on send email. Email is sent to stakeholder. Okay. Now, let's perform next step. To perform next step, we will log in into the mailbox of our primary ID. Let me show it to you once again. What is our primary ID? Primary ID. Okay. We need to log in using our primary ID. I will just log in into that primary ID and we'll confirm the next step where we have received the mail or not. Here if you can see, I have received the mail, incident update, email delivery failure. This was the email that we have sent. Now let's move ahead and perform the next step. To perform next step, we'll go back to this incident on which we are working as Bill Walsh. Now, under details, right panel, under details, on same request, under details, we'll scroll down and we are going to click on create meeting. Click on create meeting. Refresh the page if you are not able to view create account. Okay. If you are not able to view the page, even this option create account, even after refresh, then log in using your primary account. I am logged in now using my primary account. I will repeat. Step number 10. when we need to connect account, if this option is freezed or grayed out, refresh the page as Bill Walsh. Even after refresh, it is showing grayed out. Just log in using your primary account. And now click on connect account. Scroll down and click on connect. Zoom. Click on connect. If you don't have Zoom account, you need to create one and try. So for this account, I don't have Zoom account. I am going to create it. I will log in, sign in. Sign in once again. So I am logged in. Now click on next. Skip email setup. Click on accept. Okay, so a permission would be required. Click on accept. Okay, now provide further details, because if you don't have account, you need to create the account. I just need to click on create account. Give the required code. Click on verify. Click on activate. Now I'm activating my Zoom account. Okay, it's done. Zoom account is now activated. Let's close this. Okay, now let's click on connect Zoom. Here, click on allow. So Zoom is now connected. Zoom is now connected. Okay, now let's go back to the major incident. Let's close this. We are in that same major incident. Refresh this page. Now, next to Zoom, we have an option create meeting. Click on create meeting. Give the name as Microsoft Outlook delivery email. Okay. Check add meeting recording as internal note. Click on create. From right panel, next to Zoom, you have an option copy invite link. Just copy this invite link, okay, and paste it in your notepad just for reference. Okay, scenario 03, paste it in your notepad. Now let's move ahead and perform the next step. To perform next step, we'll scroll down in middle panel. Under activity, we'll click on notify stakeholder, and we will add the meeting link. We'll say Zoom meeting link. Paste it. Okay, this is done. And then we are going to click on send email. It's done. And under activity, we'll click on add internal note. We'll add please join the, or else you can give Zoom meeting link. Okay, click on save. So you have provided it to stakeholder. You have shared that with internal team as well. So both this, your team members as well as stakeholders can join the meeting now. Now let's move ahead and perform the next step. Next step is about post bridge call or post bridge call or post meeting update. To perform that, we will again, now you are notifying something like a MOM, memorandum of a meeting, minutes of meeting. Okay, you are sharing few details what is discussed in the meeting. For that, now we'll click on notify stakeholders. We'll notify stakeholders, give a detail, meeting update. Okay, Microsoft Exchange Server identified as a root cause, need to restart, and is currently in progress. Okay, just scroll down and we will just click on send email. Same update we are going to add to our internal note. Click on internal note and we'll say Exchange restart is in progress to restore email delivery functionality. Click on save. Now we are going to inform customers. We informed stakeholder, we informed our team internally. Now it's time to inform customer. Reply to customer and we'll say the message that we gave to the stakeholders. Okay, remember that we are going to use now. We'll add the details over here. Reply to customer. Our investigation identified root cause of the issue. We'll provide confirmation once service is restored. Confirm, save. Now we need to create a subtask to perform restart. This is important because incident is there. Incident might have small subtask. Now this subtask is to restart the Exchange server. So now in the middle panel, we'll have an option of create subtask. Click on create subtask. We'll give the name as restart Exchange server, enter. Wait for some time, it should appear over here. It is done. Click on restart Exchange server. First step is to assign it to Bill Walsh. Now let's move ahead. To perform next step, we need to make sure that we are logged in as Bill Walsh. Click on assign to me. And then we are going to move the request from open to in progress. Click on start progress, work in progress, that means. We will add internal note, task is acknowledged. Click on start progress. We will update urgency, priority and impact. We will scroll down over here. Priority would be high. We have changed the priority to high. Scroll down under more fields. You will have urgency. We are going to change it to high. Impact we are going to select significant large. In middle panel, we are going to add internal note. Add internal note. Restarting the server. That's it. Save note. Now, once it is done, the next step is to change from work in progress to mark as done. That means activity is completed. This task is completed. Mark as done. Under resolution, we will select done. In internal comment, not reply to customer. Internal comment, server is restarted successfully. Restarted. Okay. Click on mark as done. It's done now. So now the task that we have created to restart the Exchange server, that is done. See, this is our task. Let's go back and open the incident on which we are working. In left panel, click on incident, click on default, click on open incident. Incident is still open. See, work in progress. Let's open this incident. In middle panel, if you see, task is completed. Now it's time to resolve this major incident. For that, we will click on work in progress. And from drop down, we are going to click on resolve. In resolution, we are going to click on done. And we will provide an internal note. Internal note is restarted server and issue again. Issue is now resolved. Click on OK. Click on resolve. The moment you click on resolve, the status should change as complete. So in this scenario, we saw how to raise an incident on behalf of user, how to convert a normal incident to major incident. We saw how to add stakeholders, how to send a communication to stakeholders. Then we saw how to connect a Zoom meeting in our incident. And then finally, we saw how to create a subtask to perform a specific task and resolve it. After that, we have resolved the incident, the major incident that we have created. With that, we have completed this scenario. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftatacademy.com. www.netsoftatacademy.com.